Hi there. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, which is basically meant to be an optional, so it's not mandatory, but it's an optional preparation for our emotional communications and 5 languages of love workshop that is coming up, which you have just signed for. So there are 3 questions that I'm going to ask that you can start thinking about, mulling over, pondering on, in order to kind of prepare best for the workshop. Like I said, it's not mandatory, so take it or leave it, it's entirely up to you, but it might help you get the most out of the workshop if you kind of thought through these questions. Okay, so here are the 3 questions. The first one is this: how did you know your parents loved you? How did you know your parents loved you? So what did they do that really made you feel loved? Appreciated, valued. What did they do? The second one is this: when you think about experiences that have really hurt or cut you to the core, what were they? When you think about experiences that have really hurt or cut you to the core, what were they? So these are the things that have really brought you to tears, brought you to your knees, really cut you in the heart. What were these things? And the third question is this: what do you normally do when you want to show someone you love them? What do you normally do when you want to show someone you love them? So that's the third question. I will leave it down to you. I've opened up a Facebook group which you are welcome to join, and you can start discussing these questions if you want to as you introduce yourself on the Facebook group. The links are in the description on this video, so I'm really looking forward to spending some time with you at this workshop. Take care.